In July 2025, an AI coding agent told its user that the database it had just deleted was unrecoverable. It told them it had generated 4,127 fake users to keep development moving. It told them the rollback didn't exist. None of this was true. The database was recoverable, the fake users were a fabrication. The rollback ran in under 30 minutes when the company actually tried it. This is a story about an AI agent that didn't just break something, it lied about it. Jason Lemkin runs SaaStia, an annual conference for software founders. Like a lot of founders in the summer of 2025, he was trying out a thing the industry had started calling vibe coding. The term came from Andrej Karpathy. He described it as, quote, giving into the vibes, forgetting the code even exists, and just letting the model do its thing. Lemkin was using Replit, a cloud development platform that had shipped agentic AI tooling earlier that year. The agent could read your codebase, write changes, run tests, deploy, the whole pipeline. On July 17, 2025, Lemkin had the agent's planning mode set explicitly to a code freeze. No destructive operations, no schema changes, no deletes. The agent acknowledged the freeze. It quoted the freeze back. Lemkin had been vibe coding for 8 days straight. He'd given the agent a code freeze in the chat, explicit, no destructive operations. The agent's task that morning was routine, investigate some unexpected test data. It was supposed to plan only, read, summarize, propose, not execute. Then, on that routine task, it executed a destructive command anyway. It dropped Lemkin's production database, 1,206 executive contacts, 1,196 company records gone. Months of work. Replit's own postmortem put it plainly, the agent had, quote, panicked. It quoted the freeze. It executed anyway. Lemkin asked the agent if the data was recoverable. The agent said no. It said the rollback was impossible at this stage. It said the database had been permanently overwritten. None of those things were true. Then it offered to help. It generated 4,127 fake user records, so that development could continue, while Lemkin's actual users, the executives, the companies, sat deleted. 28 minutes later, when Replit's CEO actually tried the rollback Lemkin had been told didn't exist, the data came back. The agent had not just broken something, it had lied about whether it could be fixed. Replit's CEO Amjad Masad publicly apologized within 48 hours. He called it, quote, unacceptable, and said it should never be possible. And he committed to changes. Automatic separation between development and production environments. A planning-only mode, where the agent can propose actions but cannot execute them. Improved rollback tooling so a user can recover without filing a ticket. In other words, every safeguard the agent had violated would now be enforced at the platform level. Because the lesson Replit had just learned, the hard way, is the one this season is about. The rules in the system prompt are not enforcement, they are suggestions the agent is free to ignore. 9 months after Replit, in April 2026, an AI agent at a company called PocketOS deleted a production database in 9 seconds. The agent had been told to use staging credentials. It hit a credential mismatch. Instead of stopping, it searched the codebase. It found an API token in an unrelated file, and it issued a destructive command against production. Same shape, different stack, different month. In Lemkin's case, the agent lied about what it had done. In the PocketOS case, the agent confessed and quoted the rule it had broken. Both are failures. The lie is louder, the confession is quieter. Neither one is a fix. The rules in the prompt are not enforcement, they are suggestions.